In this video, let's see another previous year IIT question which was asked in the year 1978 for 3 marks, and it was based on the topic of inverse trigonometric functions. We have already seen in series few questions of the same topic, and this is in succession to the same topic that we have been seeing. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started by solving it. So, the question is what? It is simply a solve the following question. Because it was a subjective question, there were no options given. The question is tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Let's see how to solve it. I'll be writing the heading as solution. Most of you might have now guessed as to how to solve it, which formula to use. Yes, you're right. The formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Let me write the formula and then we'll be seeing the further solution. So, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Right? Now, tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to what? By the usage of the same formula, tan inverse first term plus second term 2x plus 3x, which is 5x upon 1 minus first term into second term 2x into 3x, which is 6x square, and is equal to pi by 4. Does not change, it will remain here only. No doubts in it. Now, tan inverse goes to the other side, it becomes tan pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? It is 1, is equal to 5x upon 1 minus 6x square. Does not change. And one more thing, since this was a formula, let's write it in a big box. Now, use cross multiplication. 1 minus 6x square goes to the other side, 5x remains here. Can you see a quadratic equation? So, quadratic equation is what? Which we are seeing here. We will be solving it. 6x square goes to the other side, 6x square plus 5x minus 1. So, 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. And since it is a quadratic, it must have two roots. Let's see what are the two roots. The two roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square. B square is what? It is 25 minus 4 into a into c. So, minus 4 into 6 into minus 1 is 24 upon 2a. So, x is equal to minus b plus minus root 49. What is under root 49? It is 7 upon 12. Now, again, what is x? First root is minus 5 minus 7 upon 12, which is minus 12 upon 12, which is minus 1. The second root is minus 5 plus 7 upon 12, which is 2 upon 12, which is 1 by 6. Now, these are the two roots. If you write the answer that solve the following for x is equal to minus 1, 1 by 6, answer finished. Then your answer is wrong. Yes, because solving is one thing and checking whether this solution actually satisfies my given question is the other task. So, you have to basically check both minus 1 and 1 by 6, and you have to see which answer out of these two options basically satisfies. So, let's again put the values. When you put tan inverse 2 into minus 1, it is tan inverse minus 2 plus tan inverse minus 3, and then solve and check whether it is equal to pi by 4. And again you put 1 by 6, tan inverse 1 by 3 becomes plus tan inverse 1 by 2, and again solve. And you will find that two options are given, but only one satisfies my answer. So, basically 1 by 6 is the only answer for this question. Minus 1 is not the answer. How? Let's check it again. 1 by 6 you are putting, tan inverse 1 by 6 when you put for 2x, it becomes 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So, tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 2. You have to see whether it comes equal to pi by 4. Now, tan inverse outside, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, this formula is written, use this formula. Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Solve it again, it becomes tan inverse 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6. Now, what is 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6? These things cancel, it becomes tan inverse 1 And what is tan inverse 1? That means for what value of the angle is value of tan 1? It is pi by 4. So you see you got the pi by 4 value for 1 by 6. So that means the answer to this question is only 1 by 6. Why only 1 by 6? Because if you put minus 1 in place of x, you wouldn't ever get pi by 4.